see. Yeah. Got it. Oh, that's a nice little lot there, wasn't it?
Christmas, if you're at home doing anything festive right now, then that song's for you, especially if you decorate the tree. Or maybe you've done all that, and you've been wrapping presents and putting them underneath so that it's cute. I'll also play Brenda Lee's Rocking Around. That's one. Now, there's loads of gifts for you on our website, it's christmasmagic.co.uk.
Yeah.
One of them is an amazing family trip away to the UK city of your choice to see Disney's Mufasa by Lion King. Now, this film is people are back home now will be the cinema snacks and 4 tickets to Disney's Mufasa. Enter a magic box.
Oh, more God.
Weekends on Magic 100% Christmas. With Morrison's, choose the best range for delicious luxurious food with the finest quality ingredients.
Magic breakfast with Santa.
That moved, the seagull. Hey, some more money's come out. Oh, he moved again.
With Samsung, unleash new possibilities with Samsung Galaxy AI. Effortlessly translate edit and research, leaving you more free time. You look bland. What are you doing?
I'm just popping back to the website to place these gifts and drop them out. Make magic.
Seagull.
Export orders around the world with working capital support.
Export insurance means I get paid when exporting to challenging markets.
At UK Export Finance, we believe no viable UK export should fail for lack of finance or insurance. Between 2023 and 2024, we provided £8.8 billion of government-backed trade finance to support UK exports. Learn how we can help you win export contracts, fulfill orders, and get paid. Search UK Export Finance today. Whatever their taste in
Where should I do what? Should I give them now? Should I keep doing
Do that one, do that side.
whatever their taste in whatever.
Oh,
There's a perfect gift card for them.
they just fell.
Choose from up to 80 plus brands. Then choose the amount. With gift cards available from £10 to £250. Gift cards for every taste. In store at Tesco. Subject to availability, selected Tesco stores or T&Cs apply. The magic of Santa's Lapland is waiting for you. Plan an incredible 2-night family trip to
That's
Santa's
in Parliament.
Lapland.
Some more come out now.
And experiencing
Like
Set me
it.
off.
Hey,
dashing through the snow on even sled.
those are on the side there.
Trying out the many ski-doos and having fun with the elves. And most exciting of all, you'll go on a great search for Santa, finding his cozy cabin for your private family meeting. No one knows how to make Christmas more magical than Santa's Lapland. You could win this once-in-a-lifetime trip at magic.co.uk. When you're shopping for loved ones this Christmas, think Dove. Dove. Dove and Dove Men Plus Care gift sets make perfect Christmas.
Oh, it's not quite on the edge.
No.
We're getting that.
They're getting it. Loads of 2Ps in there. Oh, there's loads.
Classic fall.
Yeah. So close.
If it hits the edge, are we going to ask them?
Yeah. I think we can safely say if it hits the edge, we've won it. You've won it. Still got loads of 2Ps to collect from in here. No, stay that side, Grace.
Not quite.
Not quite, it's nearly. Oh, nice one, mate. Cheers. Thank you, mate. Cheers. Yeah. Oh, that's so close. It's so close, isn't it? Oh! It's edging ever so close, closer and closer. Did I drop TP? No, I didn't. No, I didn't. You got it all. It's literally, it's not even, it's less than a centimetre away from the glass. Oh, it's getting this close. Oh yeah, no, nearly. Is it touching?
No.
No, it's just a little bit more.
Oh my god. Come on. There we go.
Is it touching it?
It has to be.
Excellent. Yeah.
Hang on, let me go again.
Do a couple more just to be on the safe side. Oh!
It has to be on there. I think it's on there.
Do you think it's touching it?
Yeah, it's on there.
Yeah. You can see it. You can see it pressing the glass, can't you? I'll go and find the man, okay? We've now got the seagull. Nice one. Nice one. Cheers, mate. Thanks, so mate. It's the seagull.
Well, what should we do now?
One seagull.